If you're over 6 feet tall, you know the struggle. Cramped knees, sore backs, and bikes that feel like toys. But it doesn't have to be that way. In this video, we're revealing the top motorcycles built with tall riders in mind. Comfort, control, and confidence. No more folding yourself into a pretzel. Let's ride tall and proud. Before we list bikes, let's talk dimensions. Look for high seat height, long wheelbase, relaxed peg placement, and upright ergonomics. ADV bikes and naked tours often tick these boxes. Also consider handlebar reach. Too short and you'll be hunched over. Let's start with the king, the BMW R1250 GS Adventure. With a towering 35-inch seat height and wide bars, this bike gives tall riders room to stretch out. The adjustable seat and long-distance comfort make it a favorite for riders over 6'3". KTM Super Adventure R is built for rugged terrain and tall riders. With a 34.6-inch seat height and aggressive stance, it's tall-friendly and trail-ready. Tall riders often say this bike finally fits their body without compromises. If you want a mid-weight option with big space, the Yamaha Tenere 700 delivers. Its slim tank and 34.4-inch seat height make it ideal for long-legged riders, and it's light enough to maneuver, even if you're commuting. The V-Strom 1050 XT brings ADV comfort without breaking the bank. Tall riders love its relaxed peg position, upright bars, and roomy seat. It's a solid all-rounder that fits bigger frames well. Plus, it's often cheaper than Euro rivals. The Africa Twin combines classic ADV style with tall-friendly ergonomics. Seat height ranges from 33.5 to 35 inches, depending on the trim. It's agile, roomy, and feels natural for riders over 6 feet tall. Bonus? It looks awesome. If none of these fit your budget, don't worry. Many bikes can be adjusted with taller seats, handlebar risers, or lower pegs. But if you want a factory-fit feel, these 5 are your best bet. Tall riders deserve great bikes too. Which one would you ride? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more rider-focused content.